Aloha! Today I'm going to show you a unique opportunity in Wailea Kialoa. Let's go. Three-car garage. Got enough toys?
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue sky.
Would you use the stairs if your house had an elevator?
We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget.
If this was your pool, what would your parties look like?
Shaking you
The music. I really need your attention. This house comes with a vacant lot as your personal backyard.
Imagine the possibility.
I don't wanna shake you
Action.
If this was your pool, what would your party